Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to get virtual number. So, by the way, a virtual number is a phone number that's not tied to a physical SIM card, so you can use it to sign up for websites, receive OTPs, protect your real phone number. So this time we will use ChatGPT to help us give our virtual number. So you can go to ChatGPT and then ask GPT to give a list of trusted virtual number providers for receiving SMS. So ChatGPT may suggest the following here. You can read, you can review, you can select whatever website or whatever site you want to try. So for example, if I'm going to ask ChatGPT to which virtual number is best for, let's just say, WhatsApp. Okay, so it will recommend services based on your usage. Some apps block free numbers. Now, once you have selected that specific site where you want to sign up for a free virtual phone number, you now ask ChatGPT, how do I sign up for this name of the site and get a number for WhatsApp, something like that, or for Telegram. Okay, everything is up to you. Now it will show you steps on how to sign up and get a free virtual number to this site. So all you have to do is to ask, this is ChatGPT. You can copy this or you can create your own. So press enter and ChatGPT will show you the answer, steps, and method. Now, once you have this steps or method to sign up, you can now go to that specific site. Okay, open a new tab and then search for that site right here and then just follow the sign up method. And then there, you can now get a free virtual number to sign up for Telegram, WhatsApp. Okay, so everything is up to you. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Again, just ask ChatGPT for trusted virtual numbers and how to sign up, and then create your account right here. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.